Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Miss Misa from InquisitorMaster. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. Nice big eyes. Nice big circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So then I have 2 circles and I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now that humongous eyes in, let's come to the sides right here and we're going to draw some lashes. So let's say about right here, I'm going to draw 3 lashes, nice and long, and 1 more, just all on the sides. And same thing on the side right here, so about right here, 1 longer one just to mix it up, and a shorter one, and another one. There. Now with the lashes in, let's come above each eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye, and then in between the eyes, let's draw the little nose. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead in the center, draw a soft curve, round off the sides, and just connect it in the center. And I'll just give it a little highlight right here, and then shade everything else in so you can see a little bit better. And now that we have the nose in, we're going to come straight down with a little line, and we're going to loop it out on both sides. There, for a happy cat. And then in between this, we're going to draw basically the bottom of a U to connect. Aww. Okay, so then now that we have that, we have to surround it with this big head, right? So I'm just going to come to the top of my eye and come out really close to the lashes, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Same thing over here, just right next to the lashes. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw this big curve. So let's go ahead, just draw a curve, kind of going around my eye, and same thing here. Draw this big curve, and then I'm going to just give myself a point. If I find my center, this mouth, and I'm going to come down, say about right here. Just imagine about right there. Give myself a point so I know where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. And using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and turn my body, whatever you need to do to draw, to bring yourself down to this point right here. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So nice and round. So play around with it. You might find that drawing the head shape first and then drawing the eyes in is easier for you. Whatever is easiest, just to draw this face right here. It's just by putting the eyes in first, you're just kind of making sure everything is in its right place. Okay, so then now with this big head in, I'm going to just bring this up a little bit more. And same thing here, just bring it up a little bit more. And we're just going to imagine this big oval. So say about right, kind of like where the ears would pop out. I'm just going to say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big curve right in the center to about right there. It's a tentative, so we're just creating this big oval, and then from there I'm going to come about right here and draw this big ear that pops out. So I'm just giving myself some space. So once again, I'm just going to come down about right here, so it's easier for my hand to come out, and then round off the tip and bring it down. And so once again, you're just going to imagine this as your curve, and so about right here, just going to create a curve to draw the inside of our ear. So we're just following the outside and connect. There. If you're using a pencil, definitely draw this big head first, this big oval shape first. It makes it a lot easier, and then you can just pop in the ears. Okay, so then now that you have that, we're going to just make sure my other ear is about the same spot, and so we're going to do the same thing. Then I'm just going to drag this point across, so approximate about right here. Round off the tip. Round off the tip right here, and then connect back down to your point. Just like the other side. So once again, just imagining this is coming through about right here, and then draw a curve, and then the inside of your ear. There. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too complicated, but if you're using pencil, it definitely helps to just draw the face shape first. Then from there, we're going to come to the sides right here, and we're just going to draw in 2 whiskers on both sides. Here and here. And now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the cute little body. So right in the center, about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this curve right here. So this is kind of like the bow area, and then we're going to come to the sides right here, and we're going to draw curve. Well, not really a curve, right? Just kind of like this angle line. So then on this side, it's very short because she has a hand, little paw that's sticking out. So just a little line right here, and then we're going to pop out this hand. So right here, right next to the face, not too big, say about right here, round it off, and then bring it in. There. And then let's see, we're going to continue this, come out right here. So we want this about the same area, same level. Bring this down a little bit more. So now that we're at the same level right here, I'm going to pop this part out for the bottom part, and same thing here. Just curve and pop it out, and I'll bring this down to about right here, and then I'm going to draw the other hand. So just imagine this was coming through, skipping some space, and about right here. Then we're going to end about right there. So this hand is going to come down, and about right here, curve, straighten out, and then just connect. Just a little bit straighter right there, and then connect this part. So this is coming through, so about right here, and we're just going to connect this part nice and straight and connect. There. So you just want to pop in this little hand right here. It just comes out a tiny bit. Then from there, we're going to draw a tail. So about right here, I'm going to pop out a tail, curve, and connect. And then now the bow. So come back to this area right here. We're going to draw a curve. And then we're going to draw the loop of our bow. So we come down, nice and big, and then up. And a little line right here for some detail. And then the tail of our bow. So in this space, whatever space you have left, you can just tuck in this tail for the bow. There. And then last but not least, well, since I'm drawing pretty big, the reason I was drawing pretty big is because I want to draw this little paw print right here. So I'm just gonna come right here. If you have any space, just draw 3 little ovals and then another oval right there. But it's actually white, so you can just do that when you're coloring and just leave it white. But I wanted to show you, draw a little paw there, and then of course I'm gonna add a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Miss Misa from InquisitorMaster. I really hope you love my version of this cute little pink cat and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. If you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.